In this day and age, starting your trading journey is easier than ever. Thanks to the rapid advancements in technology, you can invest from anywhere at any time, all from the palm of your hand with PocketOption. PocketOption provides a unique trading experience for both new and experienced traders alike. It's user-friendly, simple to navigate, and has a vast range of assets to trade on, including forex, crypto, and commodities. To get started, simply sign up and deposit funds into your account. PocketOption also offers a free demo account to hone your skills and test out different strategies before committing your real funds. One of the standout features of PocketOption is its trading flexibility. You can choose from multiple chart types, including candlestick, area, and line charts. Additionally, you can use technical analysis tools such as trend lines and moving averages to help predict price movements. PocketOption also offers a range of trading strategies, including short-term turbo trades and long-term trades, allowing you to customize your trading plan for your preferences. Lastly, PocketOption is a regulated broker, ensuring the safety of your funds and peace of mind while trading. Start your trading journey today with PocketOption and take advantage of its user-friendly interface, vast asset range, and regulated platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and information.